Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nail grinder is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools for achieving perfectly manicured nails at home. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates well-groomed hands, this video will guide you through choosing the right nail grinder for your needs, covering various factors such as speed settings, attachments, and ease of use, ensuring you make an informed decision and achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. AIRSEE N24 Nail Drill. This is the AIRSEE N24 Nail Drill, a versatile tool perfect for both beginners and professionals. It comes with everything you need to achieve salon-quality results at home. It includes 11 drill bits and 56 sanding bands, providing you with all the tools you need for various nail care tasks. You'll be able to grind, carve, cut, polish, and remove gel polish with ease. This nail drill offers variable speed control up to 20,000 RPM and allows for both forward and reverse rotation. This ensures precise control and comfortable use for both right and left-handed users. Made with high-quality metal, it's both durable and lightweight. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and transport, perfect for use at home or on the go. It features a high-tech motor that minimizes heat, noise, and vibration for a comfortable experience. Simply plug it in and start creating beautiful nails. The corded design ensures consistent power and precision throughout your manicure or pedicure. Experience the difference of a reliable, high-performance nail drill. What we like? It comes with a wide variety of bits and sanding bands, perfect for all your nail needs. The adjustable speed settings make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. If you're looking for a versatile and long-lasting nail drill, this is the one for you. What people say. It is easy to power on and off, and the adjustable speed gives a pretty wide variety of choices. The bits are good quality as well. Had no issues getting them in or out of the drill, and they work as intended. The drill itself is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver. The adjustable speed settings allow for precise control, which is great for both delicate cuticle work and more intensive filing. The variety of included drill bits covers all my needs, from shaping and buffing to removing gel polish. What I appreciate most is how quiet and smooth it operates. Unlike other nail drills I've tried, this one doesn't vibrate excessively, ensuring a steady hand for detailed work. The compact design makes it easy to store and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Number 4. Beurer MP62 Nail Drill. Introducing the Beurer MP62. It lets you easily achieve perfect nails, right in the comfort of your own home. Get ready for flawless manicures and pedicures. This kit comes with 10 different attachments. There's a sapphire, felt, or sandpaper option for every nail care need. You'll be able to shape, file, and buff with ease. It offers adjustable speed and rotation. You can customize it to your specific needs, making it suitable for all skin types. Enjoy a comfortable and controlled nail care experience. The built-in LED light provides superior illumination. This ensures a precise and refined finish every time. Say goodbye to uneven filing. It includes a dust shield to keep your workspace clean. Enjoy a hygienic and mess-free manicure and pedicure experience. It's easy to maintain a clean and organized workspace. This e-file comes with a practical storage case. Keep all your accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. It's designed for your convenience and ease of use. What we like? This nail drill boasts an LED light for better visibility and precision. The multiple attachments allow for various nail care tasks. If you value precision and a professional finish, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Beautifully packaged, easy to use, gets the task at hand and foot done as desired. Lots of usable options included. Reversible for lefties. This one is cordless, great mobility. Several bits with thorough instructions on how to use. It is easy to use product. We can address all sorts of nails from typical fingernails to thick toenails. It comes with an assortment of tips that are easy to put on and take off, and the cord is easy to store because they provide a zip case for everything, which is terrific. The case has a little extra room so you're not having to fit everything exactly perfectly to get it to work. Number 3. Cordless Nail Drill Electric File. This cordless nail drill is perfect for both professional and at-home use. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making manicures and pedicures a breeze. With adjustable speeds and a forward-reverse switch, it offers versatility for various nail treatments. The different bits allow you to customize your nail care routine. Say goodbye to tangled cords. Its cordless design and lightweight build make it portable and easy to use anywhere. It's also comfortable to hold for extended periods. It's designed for quiet operation and low heat generation, providing a comfortable experience. The upgraded motor and overload protection ensure a longer lifespan. Enjoy up to 6 hours of cordless use on a single charge. Plus, it can even be used while charging for uninterrupted nail care. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This complete kit comes with everything needed for professional-looking nails, making it an ideal present for nail art enthusiasts. This kit includes 6 different drill bits and sanding bands to meet diverse needs and preferences. It's a great addition to any nail care collection. What we like? This cordless nail drill is incredibly lightweight and portable. It also offers a long battery life, allowing for extended use without interruption. If you need a convenient and portable nail care solution, this is ideal for you. What people say? It's high-powered and does a great job. It is nice and compact and super easy to use. It's also really well made. It works great. Now I can file the nail in a matter of seconds. It came with all sorts of other little attachments for people who know how to do pedicures as well as replacement tips. Easy to use, easy to charge, but doesn't keep charge very long but is the best for the price. Came with several different bits and is comfortable to use. Number 2. SEAMIND Nail File Kit. It's time to pamper yourself. This professional set brings the spa experience right to your home, making nail care easy and convenient. Enjoy the freedom of cordless use with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. It's perfect for manicures and pedicures on the go, or you can plug it in when needed. This powerful nail grinder is ideal for everyone, especially those with thicker nails. It effortlessly shapes and trims, leaving your nails looking their best. With 5 adjustable speeds and 2 rotation directions, you can customize your nail care experience. It's easy to use, no matter your preference. This complete kit includes the device, 5 high-quality drill bits, a dust shield, a USB charging cable, and a built-in LED light for precise work. Everything you need for a perfect manicure or pedicure is right here. What we like? It features a powerful motor, perfect for even the thickest nails. It offers both cordless and corded operation for ultimate flexibility. If you have thick nails or need a reliable tool, this is the one for you. What people say? It has a good selection of replaceable heads and works surprisingly fast. It's also good for grinding down calluses and rough spots. Recommended by NYT Wirecutter Review. Great for both hands and feet. Learning curve isn't too steep, but use low speed until you get the hang of it. My nails have really improved since I started using this too. I had a couple nails that were a bit thick and it thinned them down. I've been very pleased with it and will make a nice gift for someone or just for yourself. Number 1. HEBECA Electric Nail Drill. This cordless nail drill is perfect for all your manicure and pedicure needs. It's lightweight, easy to use, and comes with everything you need to get started. Enjoy a quiet and comfortable experience with its low noise and low heat features. The high-quality motor and bearing ensure smooth and quiet operation. It offers 3 adjustable speed settings and 2 rotation directions for complete control. Whether you're left or right-handed, it's easy to use. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it gives you the freedom to do your nails anywhere. Plus, it also supports corded operation. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel. The pen-shaped handle is comfortable to hold and the sleek design looks great. It's perfect for both home and professional use. It comes with 6 metal drill bits and 31 replacement sandpapers. It's all you need for acrylic, gel, or natural nails. What we like? This nail drill is remarkably quiet and low vibration. It comes with a variety of bits for different tasks and is very easy to use. If you prefer a quiet and user-friendly experience, this is the best option. What people say? The 3 adjustable settings are a game changer. Whether I need a gentle touch for shaping and filing or a powerful speed for acrylic removal, this drill has it all. The cordless design. No more tangled wires or being limited by an outlet location. The battery life is impressive, lasting through multiple sessions without needing a recharge. This cordless, rechargeable device is perfect for shaping, buffing, and filing natural, acrylic, or gel nails. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to handle, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.